How to save Snapchat picture to gallery. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. Click on your profile located at top left corner of your screen. Then click on settings located at top right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down till you find memories. Click on memories. And then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on save button. After you've clicked on save button, make sure there is tick mark in camera roll only or memories and camera roll. After you've done that, when you take a picture, it will simply save it to your gallery. As you can see, if I open gallery, there is the picture that I saved from Snapchat. This is how to save Snapchat picture to gallery. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.